Charlie. All right, guys. So we had a technical issue, and the previous stream just closed abruptly. But we are back. We are back, and we are here to secure that profit. We are back and here to secure that profit. So we are still in profit currently. We are in 35 pips profit. So it's high time you can break even if you have not done so already. If you want to close partial, depending on your system, you can do that. You can do that. Uh, Once again, sorry for the technical issue. Sorry, guys. Sometimes it happens. So let's see. The 15 minutes, go back to 30. We have a 1 hour there. So let's stick on the 30. So you can break even or you can close partials. It's up to you. Whoa. Yeah, Abuza, you're welcome. So we are still in the cell. So if you have not broken even, make sure to break even. We are just about um, so a couple of okay. So you close your order in US oil. What position were you in? Were you in a buy or a sell? So like I said, you can break even because it's in the next 1 minute we are having that volume coming in, which of course you know we have encountered this before. When we have volume prior the 130, most of the time we have a spike opposite before price continues in the same direction. So the choice is yours, man. So like I said, you can break even or you just hold on to your trade if you are comfortable with the risks you had. All right, so Abuza asked what position what was the position? Were you in a buy or in a sell? So that is it. That is it. Are we about to hit our first target? Uh so secure some profit, guys. Secure some profit, guys. We are already 50 pips. This is someone's target. So secure some profit, guys. Secure some profit. We are already in some massive profit already. Oh yeah, yeah. We have just gotten our first target. And that was a whopping 60 pips, guys. All right, so congrats to those that smashed that first target. And make sure if your trade was not in break even, I'm sorry for you. I've already explained the reason I asked us to put our trade in break even. And there we go with that long spike. There we go with that long spike. Yeah, that is it. So I was advised the pair you trade, make sure or try to backtest the pair so that you understand how this pair operates. So like I said previously, or from my experience with US30, whenever there is nice volume before 130, you're going to have this sharp spike against that volume before, if it's going to continue in the direction. And that is why I asked us to secure. And of course we did, um we have already secured 64 pips. Let's confirm that. So this was our exit right there. Yeah, it was a 60 pips trade, 60 pips. So we have secured 60 pips. So that is amazing. Congratulations to those of us that joined back. Oh, Abuja, you say you have buy on US oil at 82.80 and sell on 83.30. Whoa. Why are you in two position in one pay? Let me evaluate your entries. So let's look at this. Ooh, wow. So we got here. So 35286 was the price. 35286 a moment. 35286. 35286. So that was it. So that was our first TP. So now I'm back to you. US oil. So let's look at your prices. 82.80 for a buy. 82.80. So somewhere here for a buy. Then 83.30 for a sell. 83. Thirty for a sell. So now I want to ask Buza vlog. Currently, what is the overall the net? What is the net in your sell and your buy position? What is the net? Are you in profit or are you negative? So I want to believe we are learning, because that is the most important part of the live stream. So there is no magic in this thing. All you need to do is to devote time to learn. All right. So all you need to do is to devote time to learn. All right. So when you devote time to learn, then of course you will be able to get some things clear, and that will help you to achieve the profitability that you desire or you want. So this was a nice one, right? So 60 pips secured on this particular trade. That is amazing, guys. So congrats to those that were able to cash in with us. Yeah, Abuza Flock, I'm still waiting for your response. Let's see how best, excuse me, let's see how best I can help you with your situation. So if you take a critical look here on the daily, on the hourly time frame, there is still that bearish pressure. Now our trend line is broken, right? So trend line broken, price drop, gave us our first TP. Now there is still some uh, shake off in the market, right? Remember what I said from previous price action, volume before 130, you're gonna see price push back against the direction. And when you see price push back against the direction, after some time, it will head back to the intended direction. That is about 80 to 85% of the time, right? So, and that is exactly why we had to, or I had to say, secure your position, and it did hit our first TP, spiked, and here we are back in profit. Those that secured the profit, let me know how much you have made. Let me know. Let me know how much you have made. Nice, nice, nice. So let's see gold. What is gold not doing? Oh, Isa say you secured 400 bucks. That's nice. That's nice. Let me know what you secured. Those that secured some money, because of course everybody secured money as long as you took the trade. So let me know how much you made from the trade. Let's flood the chat. Let's flood the chat. How was the experience? Was it was it a trade that you kind of was worried about it? Were you worried about the setup? What was your experience while seeing that profit? Yeah, so that sell is still looming. It's still looming, man. It's still looming. It just needs something to give it that sharp push to give us our target. For those of us that have oh, Isa, this is your first day on the channel. Then please do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I want to see you around, man. Thanks for passing by. All right, thank you for hitting that subscription button. Thank you, Isa. Let's see. Let's see. We need some volume. Let me check. Yes. Yeah, how much did you make? Maglista, I hope today you made some nice return. At least in a way to recover some of the loss you did from your last account. Maglista, are you still in the trade or you have exited? Are you still in the sell? $19, 0.39. 0.39, is it the lot size you use or you made $19.39? Oh, when you saw New York, you walked through the door. Wow, wow, wow. No. Then it means that, okay, of course, that is significant, my bro. Looking at $100, you have made $19, so means you have made 20%. That is massive, man. Right. So see your account or see your gain uh, in percentage, not uh, in the dollar figure. That would change your mind. It would change your perspective. It would change the way you look at the account, right? Because if you look, if you view it from percentage wise, you ask yourself how many companies in the world makes $20 20% a day. None, right? So if you are able to see from that angles, so let's say by tomorrow when I come online we are able to catch some moves during the CPI and you are able to even make, let's say, $10, which is 10%. That means in 2 days you have made 30%. That is impressive, right? So Friday, of course, I'm going to be also coming online, right? Remember, today's session is just a bonus session based on my promise yesterday because we missed this was the sell. I called out yesterday, but because of the setup, we missed out on the sell. We were just watching it. It didn't align with the setup I expected. Right. So that's why we missed out on this sell yesterday. And I said that because of this miss today, I'm going to come online and see how we can capture a setup. And God being on our side, we have been able to capture this sell. We have secured 60 pips so far. You understand? So just a very little runner that is still there running. For me, I have just about 20% of my position still running, trying to see if it's going to hit my target here. Of course, you understand. So tomorrow we're gonna be live again, same time, uh, pre New York into New York Open. Friday, same time, we're gonna trade PPI as well. So let's trust that we're gonna have good setup, and of course, if there's a good setup, we surely gonna make good money. All right. So don't be in a hurry. You can go through my previous streams, then try to understand what is going on, why I pick trade, because I take my time to explain why I pick trades. You understand? Because I'm just doing this so that we get the understanding, not just okay, buy here, sell there. No, I want to guide people that understand why they are buying and why they are selling, because there might come a time I might not have all the time to do the live stream, but with the knowledge I've been able to pass on to people, they can trade on their own. You understand? And that is the focus. Right. So, and also to show you how you can maintain composure even when you are negative. Right. So that it gives you some level of, okay, you have a family to always lean on while you are trading. Right. So, Maclister, I want to believe that helps. So 44 minutes. I'm still going to hang on to this stream to in the next 15 minutes. Let's see how it's going to end. Right. Thank you very much, Isa. Oh, Abuza Flock. You said I buy it when They crossed their major resistance level of previous day, and my target was hit successfully. Okay. So, Abuza, it means that you are not in any position on US oil. I want to presume that is what you mean. So, if you are not in any position in US oil, then that's perfect. Right. So, new 15 minutes is up, and this is what we have. So, let me stay on the 30 minutes time frame to have more stability. Because sometimes when you pay too much attention to the lower time frame, it sweats you off from the direction, and it makes you close your trade too early. And that is where you start over trading, because when you realize that you close your trade too early and the opportunity is still on the table, you start to engage, and probably you lose your account. Now, yeah, Maglista, you say your loss is 0.39. So I would advise you, depending on your broker, I don't know which broker you use. It would make more sense if you can feed me with how many pips you were able to make, because that will help me to advise you on the lot size you should use, so that any small pip against you will not put your account in danger. Yeah. All right, no problem. I'm open. All right, with the volume I'm seeing, I don't want to be taken out of break even, but I'm still looking at things. If it comes back up, I'm just going to liquidate my position. If it comes back up, I'm going to liquidate my position. This 5 minutes time frame. So 60, okay. Does US30 still have the potential to drop? So basically, that is what I said. That is why I'm still eyeing this position here. But of course, one thing we need to understand is that US30 is a pair that mostly respects price action, mostly respects market structure. So now, if you take a critical look at what is going on, now, like I explained, the basis for the entry from the onset, we have a supply right here. Now, I had already plotted my trend line here, expecting a break to for me to join the sell. So what happened is here is that we have had a nice drop. This is a 15 minutes time frame. So we have our first retest of the trend line, which is like a lower high. We have a previous high here that price has broken through. A new low has been created. So we need to see a lower high somewhere around this area for price to continue down. All right. So if you had already secured your first 60 pips, which was our first TP right at this level here. So if you have a runner and you are comfortable with the runner, so what you have to do is probably reduce your stop loss. So this is what you do. So instead of still maintaining this stop loss here, because we have new structure forming, you can reduce your stop loss to this level. So from 65 to about 47 pips, right? And that will give you uh, more confidence to hold, because if it happens to come back to hit your stop loss, you're not losing big. You're just losing a fraction of what you have already secured. That is always important to secure profits. So, in terms of that, the structure is still intact here on the hourly time frame, like I said. So yeah, so on the hourly time frame, it still gives me the hope that we are going to go bearish, at least to test this target 35,200. So that is what I'm looking out for. There's still that potential for the drop. Price is still trading in this downward trend based on this trend line on the hourly time frame. If I step up to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the bears are still in control. So there's that potential for that base to continue, right? So to your answer, or to your question, sorry, I still believe there's a potential for the US30 to drop. Dixon, I believe that that helps. Yep. So tomorrow is gonna be fireworks, man. CPI in euro. We have all this initial jobless claim coming in 12:30 p.m. GMT. Whoa, it's gonna be massive, man. Gonna be massive. All right. I'm glad it does help, Dixon. So let's see. So tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna be coming in 20 minutes early before the release so that we can prepare ourselves appropriately to have an edge to see how we can take advantage of the incoming volatility. So I think I've done a lot of explanation when it comes to this US30. So guys, I'll be signing out in the next 2 minutes. So please, if you have not liked the video, please kindly hit the like button. If you have not subscribed already, please kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I drop a content, you will be the very first to be notified. Or whenever I come online, you'll be notified so that we can learn together, redefine our entry, and maximize our profit. I want to say a very big thank you for being a part of today's stream. Thank you very much for encouraging me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until tomorrow, see you again. Bye.